this recipe is a keeper. Started at 98. Ate the roll. 1 hour was 108, and 2 hour is 93. So I can eat bread again. Goodness gracious, who would have known we can eat bread? Okay, actually these are rolls. Called Swedish breakfast buns. 4 servings or 4 buns, 4 carbs apiece. Now, these actually are kind of big. I think if I make this again, I would make them into 5. See, there's one missing because that's the one I ate or have eaten. Alright, the ingredients: 2 tablespoons, I'm not sure how you pronounce that, psyllium husk powder. That's for bulk, and it's also something people take for constipation, but you're only using 2 tablespoons. So 1.5 cups almond flour, 1 tablespoon flaxseed, 1 tablespoon shelled sunflower seeds, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 eggs, and 1.5 cups Daisy sour cream. Now let me just write this down so I don't forget. So I like these. They're like the outside is kind of hard, like a hard roll, and the inside is softer, and I think that's because of the sour cream. Where did I put that now? I had this jar of the bagel seasoning from Trader Joe's. So after they were baked, I spread on top some olive oil, and then I sprinkled on the seasoning, the bagel seasoning from Trader Joe's. I think it has salt, pepper. I know sunflowers, no, not sunflower, sesame seeds are in that. So give these rolls a try. I'm sure you'll like them. So I had them with butter, and then I could probably do that in the morning, like a breakfast bun, like it says, with some of the Walden Farms jelly or the Smucker's. But the Smucker's does have fruit, so the carbs are higher. So the Walden Farms uses fruit extract. So I eat that in the morning mixed with some yogurt, and I'm good till about noon. I just wanted to show you this yogurt that I found that's hardly has any carbs and 0 sugars, and it also has fiber. It's called Kite Hill. It's unsweetened almond milk yogurt. Plain unsweetened. And it does not affect my blood sugar. So mix that with some of that Walden jelly and put it on your roll, or just eat it in a bowl. That's what I do in the morning, those 2 things. About a cupful, I'd say. So that's it for today. Happy with the results of these rolls. I'll be making these again. And I was worried that it was too big, that it was going to spike me. It did, 108, but then the 2 hour dropped below the first before I ate it, so that was a good recipe. Alright, thanks again for watching, and here again is our Type 2 Diabetes Support Group. That's on Facebook. If you have diabetes, or if you know someone that has it in your family or friends, have them join. I think it will be a lot of help. We have a lot of good moderators and administrators, and people help each other, and we try to support each other, not by enabling a high carb diet, but by supporting them with eating healthy and eating the right foods. subscribe, and share. And again, have a great week. Bye now.